Do you feel the vibes?
And guess who's this? Legendary Jason. Hee hee. Dab.
What is it?
Stop, Jason. Dude, if we post this on YouTube, you can be a weirdo, dude. Wait, dude, it has. It's weird.
I can't hold it. I'm too excited for these
For what? What are you doing?
Gucci goggles. Gucci goggles.
He's trying to get the Gucci goggle. Why are you so excited? Tell me.
I'm about to jizz. I'm about to jizz.
Why? Why are you so excited?
I'm about to come.
Why?
Can't believe it if I get it.
What is
I'm shaking.
about this product?
It's Gucci goggle.
Gucci goggle. What are you gonna use it for?
Our channel's gonna be called Headbands Production. 10 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands. Fuck it, man. Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna use the goggle for our production?
Every video that I do
Video?
from now on, if I get this goggle, I'm using this goggle.
Alright. So this
Every
goggle looks like, what does it look like?
Can I show you? Wow.
Alright.
Bow. Gucci.
Gucci?
Gang.
Gucci King?
Gucci on the headband. Gucci.
Wow.
Check out this shit, dude.
Wow.
Gucci on the strap.
Wow.
Strap,
This is crazy, dude. Wow. What are you doing? Man, is this worth it? Is this worth it, Jason?
Come on, I need to get this.
You have to get this. You shouldn't bother him. Sorry. But, alright. I think he's still hungry. Can't wait for his. He's at 4
If I
minutes.
don't get this one, I could get the other option, but I like this one better.
What is your second option? Tell me. I think people want to know.
It's other Gucci goggle, but the lens is orange. I like this one. It's a black lens.
Oh, it's a black color.
I'm fucking shaking, dude. Fuck.
He's shaking. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Let me think.
342, 342.
I'd like to focus in on that. Yeah, 48, 47. Wait, I can't focus on it. Okay. Let's see. How's the reaction right now, Jason?
Hold on.
He's kind of nervous. Like, really, really nervous. Alright. Let's wait for his reaction. God's plan right here. God's plan. Wishing, 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 wishing on you. You got this, Jason. You got this. Get that Gucci goggle. Are you bidding on it? You got it? What?
Oh shit, I got it.
You got it? Oh, he got it. Your reaction, Jason? He got his Gucci.
Oh my god! Shut up, shut up, shut up.
What the fuck is it? Why you scare me? You got it? Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
He got it.
By $1.
By $1.
Watch.
Okay.
The guy that wanted it, right? He bid $350.
Wait.
351.
I cannot see. Okay, now I see.
See?
Okay.
Look at the bidding history.
Yeah. I'm seeing.
350 was the highest bid.
Yes.
I did 351.
Wow.
I got it by $1.
Wow. The heck, Jason? You're lucky as fuck today, dude. Wow.
I can't believe I got it.
You're wearing that shit, okay? All the time. From now on. But this is normal face. Without the goggle. Okay?
I'm paying now. Watch
He's
it.
paying now.
I'm paying right now,
He's
dude.
paying now.
Got my credit card. Oh, dude, don't feel my credit card.
Oh, sorry. Okay, he's gonna pay now. That's kind of to like not show your credit card.
Yeah, because I want people to steal my video.
Yeah, that's true. Well, we're not uploading this shit too, so he's so excited. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay. He's too excited.
I'm shaking, like.
He's shaking too. Man, that guy must be sad, dude.
I'll be my $1.
Yeah. Damn. The Gucci goggle is like so crazy for you. Okay. Guess what came? Let's see what Jason's
goggle.
opening. The Gucci goggle.
Yeah, right now.
Alright.
This is so hard.
To open?
There's so much tape and layers.
Damn.
Gucci. See the code. Gucci. So let's open this box.
Alright. Let's go. Damn. Wow.
I don't know if this. I hope this is real.
Is it real?
So you see, you have your Gucci certificate card. Putting this one up.
Wow.
So you have a Gucci card in here. And another Gucci card here.
Nice.
Okay, I don't know what the heck this is. What the hell is this? This is like a membership card. Look at this. Certificate. Authenticity certificate card.
Wow.
To make sure this is real.
Nice. Okay.
Instructions. And a real item right here.
Okay.
Here we go. Opening the Gucci bag.
That's what we've been waiting for.
Oh, look at this coloring. Gucci bag with my sandal.
Wow.
Sandal boy. Oh, check this out too. There's Gucci embroidered in the bag right here. Printed in the bag. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of dark.
Damn.
You see it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's pretty nice.
And now for the grand finale. Oh shit. Boy.
Damn.
Boy.
Wear it. Now I should wear this in every video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Gucci gang. Done.
Now wear it.
In the front, yeah, really soft material in here. Gucci on the side, Gucci on the side. No Gucci on the inside here though. Let's try these on.
Wow. Now you look sexy now.
I'm not gonna wear these like this. I'm gonna wear it like this.
Sideway?
Yeah. So you can show them the Gucci.
Nice. Oh. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.